Supreme Court rejects private land claim, slams officials for dereliction of duty in forest case. The Supreme Court of India has delivered a scathing verdict in a case concerning over 106 acres of disputed forest land in Telangana. The court not only overturned a Telangana High Court decision granting ownership to a private party, but also sharply criticized both state officials and the High Court itself. Officials accused of abdicating duty. The Supreme Court accused Telangana government officials of abdicating their responsibility to protect forest land. The court found that these officials failed in their duty to present proper evidence and uphold the status of the land as a protected forest reserve. High Court's decision, termed gracious gift, the verdict further condemned the Telangana High Court's reversal of its own earlier decision. The court stated that the High Court's action amounted to graciously gifting the land to a private party who lacked any concrete proof of ownership. Shifting focus from human-centric to eco-centric. Beyond the specifics of the case, the Supreme Court's verdict underscored the urgent need for a more sustainable approach to environmental protection. The court advocated for a shift from an anthropocentric, human-centric perspective to an eco-centric one. This new approach would emphasize the intrinsic value of ecosystems like forests and recognize the rights of nature itself. The court emphasizes sustainable practices and respect for nature. The verdict highlighted the importance of sustainable living and respect for the rights of natural elements like rivers, mountains, and air. The court pointed out the constant threat to forests posed by population growth and stressed the need for a change in course. The court imposes costs and orders inquiry. The Supreme Court imposed a cost of $5 lakh each on the Telangana government and other involved parties. Additionally, the court directed the state government to investigate the alleged lapses by officials who may have submitted misleading information in the case. A strong message for environmental protection. This landmark Supreme Court decision sends a powerful message to government officials and courts across India. It emphasizes the critical role of upholding environmental protections and the importance of holding officials accountable for negligence in this vital area. The court's call for an eco-centric approach paves the way for a more sustainable future where the rights of nature are recognized and protected.